Hello viewers, I'm Jannat. People says there is a tunnel under Karnal Fort, a long secret path that helped King escape during the war. Some says it goes along the way to Orvagal caves. Others believe it is used to hide treasure. But here's the big question: is it real or just a story? In this video, we will explore history, local stories, and real facts to find out if this secret tunnel really exists or not. Let's find out. Karnal Fort is very old, but built in the 1500s by the king of the Vijayanagara Empire. Later, it was controlled by the Nawabs, then by Hyder Ali, and then later on by the British. Many rulers live here, and in those times, it was common to build secret tunnels in forts to escape or hide. What local people says. People living near the fort have shared stories for years. Some says the elders told them about a tunnel under the fort. Others say they found a cold walls, sealed doors, and hidden rooms. Some even say people who went looking for a tunnel never came back. What local people says. People living near the fort have shared stories for years. Some says the elders told them about a tunnel under the fort. Others say they found a cold walls, sealed doors, and hidden rooms. Some even say people who went looking for a tunnel never came back. Is a tunnel possible? The ground in this area is full of rocks, caves, and other old stone. In the past, the builders knew how to dig tunnel in the fort. Other forts in India like Golconda and various forts have escape paths. So as building a tunnel here was a possible. Urvakal caves are about 20 kilometers from Karnool. Inside those caves, people says that they saw strange walls, closed doors, and various sounds. Some believe the tunnel from the fort ends here, but no one has fully explored it yet. Let's compare what is myth and what is fact. Myth, the tunnel was used by the kings to escape. Fact, there is no written records to confirm it. And also, another myth, treasure is hidden in the tunnel. And fact, there is no official search or result. But these stories have been told for so long. Maybe there's some truth in them. And also, strange things uh, inside the fort. Let's talk about some unusual things people notice inside the Karnal fort. Like one wall inside always feels cold, even in summer. And also there is a log gate near the inner part of the fort. No one knows what behind it. Some people says they say hear sounds like footsteps, and some sounds even when there is no one around them. Things like make people believe that something is hidden below. Another theory, treasure. Some believe that tunnel was used to hide golds, diamonds, and royal belongings. When when the British came, they may have found it or hidden it forever. But no, but no treasure has been officially found at the Karnal Fort. Why hasn't the government and other archaeologists opened the tunnel and searched properly? One one reason could be safety. If the tunnel is too weak or too old or weak, it may collapse. Another is of lack of records. Without written proof, digging can be risky or expensive. And sometimes maybe the truth isn't meant to come out. So, what do we know? A tunnel under the Karnal Fort is possible, but not proven. No one has found it the full path. But the stories and the cold wars and the seal rooms make the people believe something is really there. Do you think the tunnel is really existing or it is fake? And also, so till now you heard it all. A fort with hundred years of history, a rumor that never dies. So, what do you think? The tunnel under the Kannur Fort is really existing? So let me know in the comments. And if you know something who's seen something strange at the fort, let's share this story, and I will try to come it back with the next episode. So see you tomorrow.